what's up YouTube, and welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to make a 3D pyramid using AutoCAD 2023. So we're going to start off by typing in the word pyramid for our command, and as you can see it comes up there. Or again, you can go up to the top left here and do the drop down and select pyramid from there. But we'll go with the command. So specify the center point of your base. So we'll just click there. Okay, we'll make sure the snap's on. We'll pick the radius to be 150, okay? And now we begin to choose the height, which will go for 400. And there we have it, a 3D pyramid drawn in AutoCAD 2023. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.